Alright, before y'all get on me, I know that the camera, wait, where do I look? I look here? I'm gonna just look here. I know that the camera footage is kind of ass. I don't know what I was doing, for real. I kind of just was being lazy, and I didn't adjust my settings correctly, so it looks really grainy, but I promise it won't happen again. Actually, let me not make promises I can't keep. I'm gonna try to make footage in the future better. That was really bad, but I wanted to get this video out. So next video, I will be focusing on quality, and I'll use my gimbal and everything on this video. I just kind of went to the meat though. I didn't really want to go, but trying to make consistent videos. So I guess next video I'll either use my iPhone or I'll gimbal up and put some effort into the edit. But thanks for watching. What's good, y'all? I'm about to head to a car meet. The meet is called Street Scene. It's about 35 minutes away, and I still need to wash my car, so I'm gonna try to find a car wash on the way. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there.
My life like sex, call present ecstasy. No bitch be me next. I ain't read your text. Never also dead to me. I walk up in steps. 30 years I step. Last years I step. I'm to the next. Bitch, I just want your next. Going through the sex. I'm a long man, bullets to the chest. She sent me the best, do the best. She gave me back. She sent me the best. Shit, I was a mess. Small dog and I get dressed. I don't do no press. I don't hurt to take some X. President's dead, but it's how you get it. That is out the rest. Pocket full of fat. Cut checks. Just again, quiet. I ain't stressing, that's a lesson. Drip somewhere out there, my teacher has a lesson. She's getting top, and now I'm tapping her best friend. I got shit on lock, so you know we ain't never stressing. In New York, on top shelf, shit, she like Jesse. I don't think you're ready, but I know that you ain't ready. Yeah, baby, still got levels, I ain't stressing, it's a lesson.
This is Red Mansion Music.
Why'd you play my name? Why'd you play my name? You must think that I don't think things through. You must think that I change. Why would you play my? Sometimes I don't know what to do. I think that I'm insane. I said it before, but it's true. But what about you? You crazy too. Why don't we turn a new page? Listen to this beat I made. It's crazy. Why would you play in my face? You crazy? We can turn him to a road, but I'm gon' turn my cold shoulder. 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 Why would you play my name? Why would you play my name?
Alright, I bought a banner because
Fuck it.
they fucking made me. But they gotta install it, so.
Yeah, bro.
You are on the bottom, right?
Yep. I asked my mom to record those clips, and she can't even hold the camera to where, like, you know? But it's all good. I appreciate her for holding the camera. But As you could tell, the banner is on. I was thinking about getting it just because I like their banners anyway, but the Hard to Ignore team was like telling me I should buy one. So I bought one. That's probably the only sticker that'll be on my car, but yeah. Also, if you made it this far in the video, I just wanted to know, like if there's anybody in Charlotte that would be down to get rollers. I'm always trying to get rollers of people and rollers of my car, but like it seems like nobody's ever really down unless like we're all already out and on the way to something. So if anybody in Charlotte wants to link up, then I'm down, and I'll get videos of your car and stuff completely free. I just do it for like a passion project. But what else did I want to talk about? If you made it this far, thank you. Consider subscribing or not, I don't really care. But yeah, car meet was fun. I'm tired. I'm gonna go play Call of Duty.